Hi, I'm Jenny from Jobber. Let's go over consumer financing. You can win more jobs and bigger jobs by offering your clients affordable monthly financing options on quotes. You'll have the confidence to move ahead with the job knowing that you'll get paid in full, minus the 3.9% fee, as soon as the job is complete. It's a win-win. We've partnered with Wisetack to make the process of providing monthly financing option to your customers fast, easy, and paperless. Based on customer data from Wisetack, businesses that offer their customers monthly financing options upfront typically see sales increase up to 20%. Consumer financing is available for businesses located in the United States who meet the eligibility criteria and are approved by Wisetack. After you connect Wisetack from the app marketplace in Jobber, every quote you send to a residential customer with a total between $500 and $25,000 will include monthly financing options. They'll see the monthly payment calculation at the bottom of the quote. If they choose to pay monthly, they'll fill out a quick application to see their options. They can view the offers without taking any risk to their credit score. And if they select an offer, they'll get an instant decision on whether or not they're approved. The whole process takes only a few minutes. Consumer financing also works with optional line items. If a customer adds or removes an optional line item, the monthly payment calculation will update instantly. So your clients will know that they can afford the work they want. If your customer is approved for financing, you'll be notified right in Jobber. You'll see it on the quote and in the consumer financing report section. Once you mark the job complete in Jobber, the invoice will be created automatically. Your client will get an email from Wisetack to confirm the work was completed, at which point the invoice will be automatically marked as paid. You'll receive the money in your bank account in 2 to 3 business days. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to check out our help center.